National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued an extreme wind warning for northern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Center County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Union County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, central York County in south-central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 10:15 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds in excess of 115 to 145 miles per hour, associated with a broad area of intense thunderstorms, located along a line extending from State College to Lancaster. This area of thunderstorm winds was nearly stationary. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. These severe thunderstorms are producing hurricane-force winds. Move to a sturdy structure now. Widespread destructive winds of 115 to 145 miles per hour will spread across Lancaster County, Northumberland County, Huntingdon County, Dauphin County, Center County, Snyder County, Union County, Cumberland County, Perry County, York County, Mifflin County, Juniata County, Blair County, Lebanon County, producing swaths of tornado-like damage. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life.